It's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Reservoir Street in Salford M6, the popular Chimney Pot Park development to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a 2 double bedroom property, and in the typical upside down style of this development, we have the bedrooms to the ground floor. And also a nice modern fitted 3-piece bathroom, complete with sunken bath. And the main bedroom benefits from a light well as well. Chimney Pot Park is in a really convenient location. It's within walking distance of Salford Quays, Media City, also within walking distance of Langworthy tram stop, which provides direct access into Manchester city centre as well. On the first floor, you'll find this large living and dining space, sliding doors, out into the garden terrace to the rear. It's a really nice social space. And then as we head upstairs, there is a modern fitted kitchen, complete with a chimney style light well as well. So this is a very popular development. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.